Hello, welcome back guys to Spotaria channels here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to create a folder in a Google Drive on iPhone. But before it, I have you guys click subscribe and the bells button to support the channel. And without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, firstly of course you just have to open your Google Drive, and also you have to make sure your phone is already connected to the internet. Here I'm going to open my Google Drive first. And if you want to create the folder, just tap on this plus button here at the bottom, and we'll see here the option which is create folder. Just tap on it, and after in this page, in this pop-up, you have to create for the names for your new folder. For example, here I'm gonna name it by random, and after tap on create, and this is my folders here guys. You can combine many files to this folder. So yeah, I think it's enough from me, a tutorial how to create a folder in Google Drive on iPhone. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.